What if I told you there's an AI assistant that can write code, analyze data, create content, and solve complex problems? But most people are using it completely wrong. Here's the thing. Most beginners open Claude, type something like, "Help me with my project," and then wonder why they get generic, unhelpful responses. They bounce between different AI tools, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed, never really unlocking the true potential of what Claude can actually do for them. But what if there was a simple framework, a step-by-step approach that could transform you from a confused beginner into someone who knows exactly how to get Claude to deliver incredible results? Well, there is. Let me share the 5-step Claude mastery method that took me from getting mediocre responses to having Claude become my most valuable digital assistant. Step 1. Be incredibly specific with your requests. Instead of saying, "Help me write," try, "Write a professional email to my boss requesting a meeting about my promotion," using a confident but respectful tone, and include 3 specific achievements from this quarter. The more context you provide, the better Claude understands exactly what you need. This works because AI models thrive on detailed instructions. It's like the difference between asking someone for directions to that place versus giving them the exact address. Step 2. Use the role-playing technique. Start your conversation with act as a, followed by an expert role. For example, act as a senior marketing strategist with 10 years of experience in tech startups. This immediately puts Claude into a specialized mindset, drawing from the most relevant knowledge in its training. You'll notice the quality and depth of responses improve dramatically. Step 3. Break complex tasks into smaller chunks. Don't ask Claude to create my entire business plan. Instead, ask it to help with market research first, then competitor analysis, then financial projections. This approach prevents Claude from getting overwhelmed and gives you better, more focused results for each component. Step 4. Use the iterative improvement method. After Claude gives you a response, don't just accept it. Say things like, "Make this more concise," or "Add 3 specific examples," or "Rewrite this for a beginner audience." Think of it as a collaborative process where you're refining the output together. Step 5. Leverage Claude's analysis capabilities. Upload documents, data files, or images and ask Claude to analyze them. Whether it's reviewing a contract, analyzing sales data, or critiquing your resume, Claude can process and provide insights on content you provide. This is where it really shines compared to just asking general questions. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated. I just want quick answers. I was skeptical at first too. I thought AI should just work perfectly right out of the box. But here's what happened. After implementing this framework for just 2 weeks, I started getting responses that were so good, my colleagues began asking me which expensive consulting firm I was working with. My productivity doubled. Projects that used to take hours now took minutes. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one project you're working on right now. Apply these 5 steps for the next 7 days. Start specific, assign Claude a role, break it down, iterate on the results, and use its analysis features. Remember, the difference between struggling with AI and mastering it isn't talent or technical knowledge. It's simply knowing the right approach. Small changes in how you communicate with Claude can create massive improvements in what you accomplish.